guys, what's going on? So today what we're going to do, we're going to show you how we clean our front grill of dead bugs. All right, so we get the hottest of water in a bucket and just 2 drops of Dawn soap. You get your rag wet, wring it out, and go over the front cover, and you will literally remove all the bugs. Easy peasy. It doesn't leave any residual. And then you can go right over it with a detail wax or however you want to clean it up, but we'll let you take a look at it. So this is our quick vid to just clean the front bumper. I picked up some new subscribers. Thanks guys for subscribing, and hope you like the content. So we'll get to it. All right. There's a steamy hot bucket of water. This is our, as you can see, our bug damage in the grill. Again, when it gets hot, it's steamy. We're just gonna go right over that. You can see they come off. So bugs coagulate at 125 degrees. That means if they're alive and they're subjected to 125 degree temperature, they will die. They will basically solidify and they will die. So this is a real easy clean. You can see how it all comes off. Get your rag. It's out again. We will hit the bottom. Look how nicely these babies come off. It's just a nice technique I learned from keeping my cars clean, and plus I don't wet clean too much. I dry clean, if you will, meaning I just dust, put the spray waxes on, and keeping the car drier just keeps any chance of water, moisture getting into nooks and crannies, and it reduces your chance of oxidation, especially in a car that's not rust proofed. All right, we'll get your inner side, and then we'll do a final. We got both headlights done. Working on driver's side. The rear view mirrors are huge bug catchers. Again, we'll do the same. Hot rag, seeming hot. Wipe it down real quick. That's what you get. Easy peasy. Windshield. We'll do this side and then we'll move to the other side, but we won't get that on camera. Then you can go over the same thing with the windshield with the spray wax. Clean it up just perfectly. So to get the water spots off, I usually use Meguiar's Quick Shine products. You can use, any of the top brands are great. Detail waxes. We're just going to spray it on, wipe it off, and we'll be good to go. So this took essentially about 5 minutes to do. It's an excellent clean, keeps your car looking great, and again, doesn't take a lot of time, and payoff is great. We're just going to hit the front nose. Then with a nice soft cloth, we'll just go over. You have to go over it a couple times. We have a small speck here we're just gonna get out. Might be a stone chip. Tiny, tiny little speck. All right, that's it, guys. Check it out. A whole 5 minutes.